This is a video on how I made my favorite breakfast. I call it the billionaire's breakfast. If this looks interesting, then continue watching.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt it out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. It's ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you, they listen to be you.
Hi guys! Hello, hi. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your favorite Mama Ada Kings in the building. Yes, guys, it's been quite long and I know you guys have missed my face. Guys, this morning I want to prepare my favorite breakfast and I want to show you guys. Guys, this breakfast is a bomb. I call it billionaire's. Hey, billionaire's breakfast. Yes, guys, yes, breakfast. Okay, guys, this breakfast is something you want to jump into. Guys, give this breakfast a try and do let me know what to think in the comment section. Without further wasting your time, I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. Before I proceed, I want to say thank you for all my subscribers. You guys, I love you so much for always coming to support your girl, liking my videos, sharing my videos, you know, all that engagement though. I love you guys. For all my newbies, you guys are welcome to this amazing family where we spread a whole lot of love and positivity. Please don't waste time to hit on that red button down below and subscribe to be part of this amazing family. Yes, turn on bell notification so that each time your girl releases a new video, you're gonna be the first to get notified. Guys, my name is Ans None as always. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Qatar with my amazing family. Yes, don't mind the noise at the background, that's my son. So guys, let's jump right into this video. Let me take you through the list of the ingredients for this billionaire's breakfast. So guys, here is the list of ingredients I will be using for this yummy breakfast recipe. I have my onions, I have my red Cornish pot pepper or tarado, yeah, I have my green bell peppers, I have my yellow bell, I have my red bell pepper. Guys, I have my grilled chicken. Yes guys, I grilled this chicken this morning by myself. Yeah, very sweet guys. That chicken came out so yum. I have my eggs, of course. Yes, I have my butter, I have my seasoning cube, very little, yeah, just to add more flavor. I have my seasoning salt, yeah, a pinch of salt will do. Then guys, I have the star dish, which is the bread. Yeah guys, you can also use some cheese for this. Let's go into the prep. First of all, I will love to debone my chicken. Yeah, I will love to shred it like so. Guys, look at the inside of this chicken. Can you see where nice this chicken was grilled? Yeah, I grilled this chicken on a low heat. Yeah, I think I grilled approximately at 170 degrees. Okay, I didn't add much to the chicken, just seasoning cube, my soya spice, then little salt, white pepper, black pepper, and then I think that's all. Then I added some oil. Yeah, I added some oil and I just used it to rub on top of the chicken body. Guys, that's all. That's the outcome. You can see how nice the chicken is. I almost finished it while I was deboning it. It was so yum.
Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time, I'm working on it. Cause I want moves like whoa, hella style, confidence.
that color. I'll be using this cheese. This is what I've got at home. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I want to make sure that I think I poured in much butter. I want to make sure all that went round. Please make sure your gas is on low heat. So I'll pour in that like so.
I'm working all day, all night, don't need no help. I'ma be just fine. I'm all about that grind, 'cause I wanna be that chick. I wanna be that chick. I wanna be that chick. I wanna be that.
Can you guys see that? My gas is on low heat. So please, you want to leave it on hot heat so this doesn't get to burn. Okay? This is my favorite breakfast of all time. Okay? I pair this with anything, hot chocolate, anything, mention it. You can pair it with anything of your choice. So guys, I'm trying to do this so that the bread will be well stick. Turning this is where the work is. Flipping it to the other end. So if your hand is neat, boom, correct, we got it. Guys, look at that. If your hand is neat, just wash your hand, use your hand. Yeah, the purpose of using your hand is just to get it. Ooh, yum. Guys, look at that color. Can you guys see that color? Is someone seeing the colors I'm seeing here? Oh my God, who is trying this out? So guys, at this junction, I'm gonna flip it this way, then get this and keep it this way. Then I will design that with my chicken. This is where the chicken comes in. Stuff that with my chicken. So guys, that's my cheese. I'll get my cheese in. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to get this part and cover with this part. Guys, look at that yumminess. Billionaire breakfast is ready. Guys, look at that. Cheese. Guys, this is how beautiful my billionaire breakfast came out. Guys, this breakfast is a must try. It's so yummy and delicious. Guys, if at this point you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what I have done to you. Please hit that red button and be part of this amazing family. Trust me, you will never ever regret doing so. We spread a lot of positivities in here. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share my videos. Yeah, I pair this with my favorite juice. This in here is watermelon plus some berries and orange. Guys, it was so yummy. So yum. Thank you guys for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and I love you. Yeah, the testing part. My favorite part. Bye bye fam. I love you. Bye.